wonderful day and also historical day for Andhra Pradesh, and also this is a game changer for Andhra Pradesh economy and also Indian youth. I am thankful to Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Implementation Minister Shri Vaishnavji, and also Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. And also I am appreciating Google team for speed of bringing this project to Visakhapatnam. You are all aware from the beginning, as a politician, always I am promoting technology. That is the proof of concept in Hyderabad. Now it is next level of development. We started iTech City and promoting IT. Now artificial intelligence and also data centers and also quantum computing. For all these things, driving force is the Honorable Prime Minister. Whenever we bring some proposal, immediately he is doing, not only doing, he is asking to implement it at a faster pace. This is a very good momentum. I have seen so many changes in India. Indians are all well known for information technology. You take any global company, Indian origin are the CEOs. That is our strength. Either Google or Microsoft or any other company. Now with that strength, AI is a reality in future. But we have to use effectively artificial intelligence. Data center is a reality. Data is a new oil for growth. With all these parameters, I am thankful to the Government of India they gave me opportunity to launch this project in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam.
Sir, what is the size of investment, time frame and employment opportunity? How much employment opportunity is going within that?
Kurianji has announced just now 15 billion. Originally they announced 10 billion. Now he said 15 billion within 5 years' time. Time frame is fixed. Speed also you know very well. And also employment also in a big way. Direct, indirect and ancillary. So many people will come, that ecosystem. They are going to create so much of employment. Apart from employment, economy, there will be a big jump.